It's your girl Theola.
And I'm Andre.
And we are back to spill the tea. Okay guys, as you can see down below by the title. But before we spill the tea, guys, Andre and I would like to say many thanks.
So let me do a tell. many thanks.
For all the love and support that you guys have shown us throughout this journey.
So guys, do you know what we're thankful for? We are finally monetized. So thank you very much. Okay guys, so we are here today to spill the tea on exactly how we became monetized. But we're gonna rewind a bit. Okay, so guys, we officially started our YouTube channel May 17, 2020. So that's when quarantine come, everybody shut down and everything, and then Andrea and I were playing around, and then we said, you know, why not? Well, I was still working, but Andrea was home. So we said, why don't we just start a YouTube channel? So she's now passing it over to me.
Yeah.
So back to monetization. In order for you to be monetized on YouTube, you need to meet two criteria. The first criteria being that you need 1,000 subscribers, and the second criteria is you need 4,000 watch hours. So it might seem like, oh, okay, that seems easy enough. 1,000 people over there, get them to watch your videos for X amount of time. No, it's hard. As a small channel, no one knows you. It takes a very long time to build up your audience. So don't get me wrong, you can get lucky with a viral video, but the odds of that it's not like
very tiny,
very
like
tiny.
a mustard seed, right?
Like we have a viral video, right? But it's on our cat's channel.
Yeah.
Our cat has a viral video, guys, and we wish we could get our video to go viral, but our cat video is just going to the moon.
Yep.
And we're like, how can we get that done too? Yeah. But what
you can check out his channel, guys.
We'll put his channel somewhere, right?
Link is
yeah, Cuddle's channel
so
is doing well.
Yeah.
So as Taylor said, we're gonna spill the tea and we're gonna walk you through the steps on how to first get 1,000 subscribers and then how to get 4,000 watch hours. Well, based on what we did.
Yeah.
You might know a different method, but we're just telling you what we did, and hopefully it will help you in your journey as a YouTuber if you're interested in that also.
Yep. And Andre, what would you say for somebody who wants to start YouTube? What items you need to start out with? Like what tools?
If we items. Well, one of our friends actually did a very good video on that. We'll put his link in the description or somewhere. It's Tys and Don. They did a video as relates to exactly what you need to start your video. But I can give you a summary. So what we started with was our cell phone. For us, this was all we had. It's still what we're using. We're still using our cell phones. So I would recommend you need a tripod.
Later we got a tripod. Like later on.
So we started with our phones. We then got a tripod, and then after that we got
lighting. So guys,
that will come.
Straight enough. That one we didn't tell them. You're guilty.
No, but
guys, we do not own a ring light. We do not own a ring light. So guys, you know what we did? We follow the daylight. We sit by the window, which is what we're doing. We're
by the window
to find the better lighting in the house, which is quite hard.
When we started YouTube in summer,
it was bright.
It was very bright. Nice. We have massive windows, and we were like,
and we were outside mainly.
So it wasn't an issue. But when winter came in, oh my goodness.
Yeah, but we never get a ring light. So I don't know. But guys, we're gonna get one. But it's just to show you guys that you don't have to wait on camera or the dopest things or the big name brand stuff in order to start. You just need proper lighting. Use up your window, use up your outdoors, use up the sunshine.
So let's get back into it.
Back to the motion.
So how we got monetized? The first thing, 1,000 watch hours. So in our
1,000
subscribers. People, it is not easy once again to get 1,000 subscribers, but this is what we did to get our first 1,000 subscribers. Let me grab my list. Yeah. All right. So the first thing is this: tips and tricks. So our first 100 subscribers were from friends and family. People, we started our channel and we just would use our current platform. We were like, okay, we're on Facebook. I have like 1,000 friends in Facebook. Tila has maybe like 2,000 or more, right? And we were like, why not use our page to get our initial start? It was embarrassing. We did feel shy. We're like,
it was weird.
Is it okay for us to send these people that we have not engaged with our videos? But guess what?
Or who we don't know if they're interested in us are gonna be like, oh, Tiola doing this. I never knew Tiola could do this.
Exactly. So what happened was Tiola dyed my hair and gave me a haircut, and we were like, you know what? Let's record this, and we shared it to our friends on Facebook. And from my 1,000 friends and Tiola's 2,000 friends, we got initially 100 people from that platform. You might wait. We should have gotten more, but it's all right. It's a start. It will help to propel your video, right?
Yeah, so just to be clear, I shared our video initially on Facebook, Instagram, and in my WhatsApp, because some persons that are on my Instagram, they don't follow me on Facebook.
That's true.
I just use up all my platform, guys. And even at work, when you're at work, just get your colleagues, your friends, or you know, or even your foe to subscribe. You might never know.
True. So step one, ask your friends, use the resources you already possess. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, that's what we used. And we got our first 100 subscribers from Facebook, right? So that's the first one. The second one, we got 150 subscribers from YouTube support group. People, this is a double-edged sword. We got 150 from the support groups. We lost 70.
Yeah.
So most of you will know what we're talking about, right?
Yeah, if you're a YouTuber, you know what we're talking about. Yeah. So the whole sub for sub, it does work. That means you subscribe to people and they subscribe back to you. Other YouTubers, that is.
They're not genuine.
And
there's
it's
a lot of
also
people
bad.
Yeah.
However, on our journey, we have met a lot of genuine YouTubers.
Yeah.
But as Andre said, we did the sub for sub, and when we wake up, we lose a lot of subscribers. So
imagine this: you just start your channel. You're now you're now at 250, and you're like, oh my god, we just started. We have 250 subscribers. This is amazing. So you go to bed like, oh, this is not bad. Then you wake up and you have 170.
Yep, that will depress you. That will send you into.
So we tried it. It worked, but we did not like it.
Yeah, because when you start, people are gonna be like, oh, you know, I'm genuine here, da da da. Sometimes they are, but most times they aren't. So you know, I'm not saying that we didn't do it, and we did find a lot of genuine.
We got
people, but it's hit and miss.
It's not the best environment, but because you're new, it's okay for you to branch out and meet new people. It's a very good platform to network.
Yes,
right?
Because I've met amazing people.
So if you want to network and meet other YouTubers who are just starting out too, we recommend checking out YouTube support groups, right? So that's step 2. Step 3. This was the one where we went to Fiverr. Guys, Fiverr. So Fiverr is a freelance platform that does almost anything. We went on Fiverr and we're like, okay, I paid $5 or $10 to promote my video, and they promised that I would get 100 subscribers. People,
guys, I don't know what Andre is talking about. He did all of this background
people
work.
do not, I repeat, do not do step 3.
Fiverr?
Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance site. We got 100 subscribers from Fiverr, but guess what? We also lost. So this is what I think. Fiverr is bots. So I would say try it if
like
you want
not
to.
real people.
I don't think it's real people.
Okay.
I don't think it's real people because like from Fiverr we lost a lot of that from Fiverr, but you can try it. I would not recommend it, right? But guess what? No need to fear. After we took that loss, we understood it was a learning curve, but this is where things went well. We got 450 subscribers from this one.
And so you really document everything?
I did.
Oh
right?
my word.
So I got 450 from influencer Shoutout. Guys, we recommend using the influencer Shoutout. We tried different influencers. One of the influencers we used was Stuff from the Cuff, right? And Stuff from the Cuff, big up yourself. Like we got so much people coming over because they did a very good job at promoting our video. And then
we'll put their link down below, guys. So if you want to check them out, connect with
Stuff
them,
from the Cuff was awesome.
People, their family, check them out.
So we got 450 using YouTuber shoutouts, and we only lost one person. So I think that was very good.
We lost one person.
One.
Oh, Andre. Anyway.
So yeah, I have it documented, like what I gained, what I lost. So
well, to be honest, guys, all throughout this time, I'm like in here doing the cheerleading stuff. But Andre is the one that did the whole analytical stuff. He's the analyst. Yeah, and like I'm his assistant. Yeah, so I don't know.
Just also a side note, right? If you're gonna ask someone to shout out your channel or use the influencer marketing, we recommend using someone within your niche. Right? Do not just go to a random person and say, hey, can you give me a shout out? If it's not related to what you're doing, it's not going to be as impactful.
Their audience won't.
Yeah, their audience won't be interested in your stuff, so you're just throwing money away.
Yeah, so if you do challenges and pranks, you want to target YouTubers who also do challenges and pranks, right?
If you're talking about relationship stuff, use people who are talking about relationship. If you're doing vlogs when you're just traveling, use travel vloggers also, right? But if you're using someone whose focus is on stock market to promote pranks,
that ain't gonna work.
That don't make no sense, right? So that's 450. Next is post notification messaging. We got 150 subscribers from this. So Taylor's like, what is Andre talking about?
Yeah, I'm like, guys, I ain't gonna lie, I'm lost because Andre did
so 150 subscribers from this. We actually went to other pages and we commented, and one of the comments that got us crazy amount of subscribers.
Yes, of course I know what that means. Exactly. I didn't know they had a name for it.
Right? Yes. So what we did is we went into other popular YouTuber channels,
which most of the time I actually enjoy their content. By the way, like a lot of YouTubers, most of them, if you see me comment or you see a comment from Spencer's vlog, I genuinely enjoy your content. That's why I am there.
But this is the comment that got us like a crazy amount of subs,
comment.
right?
Comment.
This is my $1 million comment. So what I commented was, I was like, wow, this video was so good, right? Full stop. First I was a fan, now I'm a whole hair conditioner. So let's go again. First I was a fan, but now I'm a whole hair conditioner. Guys, I'll show you the feed from that. We got like thousands of like on that one video. They were like, comment of the year, this is so epic, this made my day, this made me laugh. And they came over to our channel.
Sometimes they come over, not all the time though, guys.
Out of 6,000 likes on that one comment, we got 150 subscribers. So that's pretty awesome. So we recommend going over to your favorite YouTuber's channel who's similar to your niche, comment something funny, turn on your
about the actual video as well. Like watch the video, actually comment something about the video genuinely, and then it may stir up a little conversation with other people, or they might like your comment, and then they will probably say, hey, let me see, they're a YouTuber too, let me click and see what they have, and then maybe there's a 90% chance they might come over to your channel. But be genuine.
Be genuine. But this is something that I did that I'm not sure if Taylor is aware of also, right? So when I call it post notification messaging, reason being because I turn my post notification on for that person's channel, so as soon as they drop a new video, I'm the first one there. When I reach to their channel, I comment quickly A, B, maybe even C, just to hold my place.
Not actually A, B, and C.
No.
Like comment.
No. A,
You comment A,
B, or C.
What?
To hold my slot as to be the first person to comment on this video. If so what I did is this: I go over to their channel, I comment A, send. When I do that, I'm the first person in their listing, and after I watch the video, I go back and I edit my message in their comments. So that means my video, the chances of my comment being number 1 is number 1. It's like 100%. Guys, try this trick out.
So you never tell me. Anyway, guys, as I say, Andre was the analysis, or is the analysis.
So so remember, so this one is it's called post notification messaging. Turn on the post notification bell on your favorite YouTuber's channel who is similar to your niche. After doing that, when a new video comes out, go over to their channel immediately, comment something random. I choose A. It goes in the queue. When you're done watching the video, edit that comment to say whatever you want to say that makes sense, that you think people would interact with. Then you update, and that's it.
Interesting.
Right?
Interesting, guys. Interesting.
Yes.
Alright, sir.
Alright, so going over, we got 50 subs from Instagram ads. Guys, it worked, but it wasn't the greatest.
You mean the Instagram?
Yeah,
yes,
Instagram.
Guys.
So this is, you want to speak on it or you want me to go?
Yeah, you go first.
Alright, so I go first. When I ran ads on Instagram, it reached a lot of people. There was a lot of people who saved our video. There was a lot of interaction. But when they click the link to go over into our channel, because you're in Instagram, it opens a private browser and the person isn't logged in. Because they're not logged in, the chances of them subscribing to you is very low. But you do get the views from it. Yeah,
because sometimes they don't want to put in their
information
Gmail
into a private
and stuff like that, which is quite simple, guys. You just have to create a Gmail address. Is it Gmail address? Yeah, your email.
No, it's not even that. It's more like you already have a Gmail account, but because you're using Instagram, it opens a new browser that's you're not logged into.
Okay.
So because you're not logged in, you can't subscribe and you'll miss out on people.
Guys still use Instagram as a platform.
Yeah,
to
it does work. We got 50 to 100 people from Instagram, so it wasn't bad, and it only cost me $4. Yeah,
and talking about Instagram, guys, use your Instagram story whenever you drop a new video. You know, put a little synopsis or a little picture from your most recent video. Advertise that video there so that they can know that the link is in your bio. Yeah, and maybe your friends, your family, or even a stranger will get the reminders, because sometimes, guys, they don't click that notification bell.
And just in case you haven't already, we are the Spencers. I'm Andre. This is Viola. Please, if you can, subscribe to our video. We're pretty cool people, right?
Not our video, our channel.
Our channel. Subscribe to our channel. We're trying. I'm getting better at this. Trust me, guys. If you check out our videos, like from the beginning, I was way worse, right?
Yeah.
So check out our videos and.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I just want to take this moment, guys, because I'm so thankful. So if you follow me on Instagram or on Facebook and you followed our channel from there, I just want to say thank you so much for actually taking the time out to click that link or to type in our channel name to go over to view our channel. We appreciate that. Yeah.
And this is the last one, and it's not for everyone, but we did it. So we were inspired by the YouTube support group, and even though it didn't work as well for us, it wasn't a bad idea. So guys, this is the last one that got us a lot of subscribers also. Like, it wasn't an original idea, but it was inspired by the initial point that we mentioned before. So this one was the YouTube support group that we found on Facebook. Because of that, we created our own support group in WhatsApp, and we brought people of like minds into our platform. And from that platform, I got, I think initially it was 30 subscribers, then it went up a bit more because I also got their friends and their friends' friends. So we got like 200 plus subscribers from our YouTube support group. And the thing about this is that you will be the admin of that group if you want to do it. If you have the time, go for it. But we collab with Tys and Don, and
naturally told by Mara. I can't list them, guys. I can't list them because if we list them, we're gonna set up ourselves for trouble.
Miss Petite, all these people.
Lily Roxy, Miss Petite. Oh my gosh, guys! All of you in our private YouTube group, we just want to say thank you. We appreciate you all so much. Some of you have been become friends. I mean, we've never met you guys, but we feel so close. We feel the support, we feel the love and the genuineness from here. So guys, I want to thank you so much. If we list Uno, guys, about 18 of Uno, we're gonna get yourself in trouble.
And it's not easy, but guess what? Once you meet people who have similar interests to you, you will do great things, right? Because every day they're like, hey, did you guys know this? Okay, I tried this but it didn't work, right? Even last night I contacted one of our friends in the group and I was like, I'm not seeing anything coming up. And she took the time and she showed us exactly what was wrong. So I really appreciate that. So I say, if you have the capability, host your own YouTube support group and bring people in and grow together, right? Because if you go big, they go big. Right?
And YouTube is big. It's for everybody.
It's for everyone.
Everybody can win.
Everybody.
And you know, so if you think you can do it alone, then go ahead. But Andrea and I, we knew we couldn't do it alone, so we formed a little niche, and from that little niche we actually found genuine people who cares, who's willing to grow with us, and they become family. So I just want to say thank you again. This is partially a thank you video. I'm just thankful.
Exactly. So that's how we got our first 1,000 subs. I think that's more than 1,000. But just remember what we said. Number one, we used our friends and families. Number two, we used our YouTuber support group on Facebook. Number three, we went to Fiverr. Right? After that, we used the influencer Shoutout. That was amazing. And the post notification messaging, guys, I think this is one of the most effective ways of getting subs. It's really good. And 6, we went to Instagram and Facebook to run ads. It's okay, it's not the greatest, but it does work, and it's also considered hours when it goes into your YouTube platform. And lastly, our own private YouTube support group. Perfect. So that's for our 1,000 subscribers.
So that's how we accomplished our 1,000 subscriber. Guys, again, I just want to pause, and I want to say, if you were a faithful subscriber from that time,
from the beginning,
when we were when we were at 50, 20 subscriber, 30, 100,
you know the growth,
500, 1,000, we just want to say thank you so much, so much.
Also, something we want to mention, guys, YouTube has a tendency to play with your subs. Do not watch it. You will have 1,000 subs today and you wake up with 900 and you're like, what the hell?
Sometimes YouTube put it back because they check to see if it's an active account, if it's actually a person. I don't know what they do, guys, but
I also noticed that when you do sub for subs, it's like it always takes it away and then put it back later on. So the sub for sub stuff, it's good for you. I say sub for sub is good for networking, but it's not great.
It's good initially.
If you want, there's nothing wrong with networking, right? So let's get into the next half of our monetization. So the first one was 1,000 subscribers. The second one is 4,000 watch hours. People, the subscribers are easy to get.
Subscriber wasn't. When you think the subscriber wasn't easy to get,
hours. Oh my god.
It's harder to achieve. So as young YouTubers or small YouTubers, we focus on the subscribers, right? But little did we know that even after you have 1,000 subscribers, you're still a far way, because YouTube won't get you monetized until you fulfill the 4,000 watch time, which is so hard to get, guys, because you know, you post your videos and some persons won't sit down and watch your video for the entire length. Some persons won't watch your videos, and also like you don't have a lot of, what you call it, views? Views and consistency and the length of your videos as well. So usually it's advised that if you're gonna post a video, try to post a video with at least 10 minutes long, so that way, you know, what you call it now,
so it builds up your average watch time. Right. So the longer your video, I would say minimum 10 minutes.
Yes.
A perfect number is, I would say, 15 minutes. 15 minutes is a sweet spot. You can go up to 20, but unless you have like great content, people won't sit to watch the entire video.
Yes. So audience retention is something that Andrea and I are actually working on.
We're working on that.
There's a lot of space, a lot of room for improvement. So yeah, that's that.
Yeah, also, remember what we just said, right? What we're saying is what we did. In the comments, if you have other solutions that can help people or others to grow, say what you did. Give us your list. We're gonna add our list to the description so that you guys don't miss a beat. But if you have a different solution or a different way in which you can grow subscribers or watch hours, let us know, because guess what, as Taylor said before, everyone can win, right? There's no need for you to say, oh no, I'm not going to do this because if it becomes mainstream, YouTube is going to shut it down. No. Well, maybe.
What?
The point I'm bringing across
they
is
make a different type of bread
help
in the supermarket. Everybody can win. There's
everyone can win. Let us know how you grew your channel, right? As Taylor said, we're spilling the tea, and maybe what we're doing is not new to you, but it might be new to someone else, because the post notification messaging for me was amazing, right? So check it out, try it. It does work. And I can give you some really cool texts or posts that I've made that gave us a lot of views, right? And that's my main thing. I'm just gonna do it over and over again. All right, so let's get into the watch hours. The first thing that we did, we got 1,000 watch hours using this method, and this method was perfect. We did playlist run. So when I say playlist run, is this: you gather all of your videos into a playlist run, and let's say it's like 6 hours, 4 hours, the whole playlist, right? And then you share it into a platform, whether it's Facebook, whether it's in a support group, whether it's with your friends and family. Send your playlist around and ask them to run your playlist, because once they do that, it will eventually get you to a point where the hours become massive.
Guys, trust me. And learn from my foolish advice. I don't think we were doing a lot of playlist runs initially.
We didn't,
because we were relying on the videos that we posted.
Our organic views and all that stuff.
Right, which honestly we weren't entirely consistent for y'all who've been here. You know, we got busy sometimes and stuff like that, and some of our videos were short, so we didn't really meet the watch time. We were far away. So then when we formed the niche,
the YouTube support group,
that's when we started to do a lot of playlist runs. And guys,
it worked out.
It works.
We were like running playlists, like we Tys and Don, they did this thing where it was like a raffle. So either someone would win the playlist run, or we would go in and each person would run your playlist at a specific time. So that's just to help you initially, because guess what, guys, we all need that initial boost. Because your videos aren't just gonna pick itself up just like that. You need that initial. I have that listed.
Our journey, we needed to reach out to our friends, our family, our YouTuber friends, and say, hey, look here, I'm gonna send you my playlist, please run my playlist,
you don't have
do this.
yeah,
you don't have to sit and watch it, like they
entire
already
9
watch
hours.
the video.
Just run it in your background and help us to develop that initial momentum on our video.
Right.
So that was perfect.
Yes,
like
it
guys,
a whole lot.
guys in our YouTube support group, our private group, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Big up yourself.
And there's some YouTubers that are not a part of the group. They actually reach out to me. Shae and Don, Tionia from Tionia Style, or Cooking with Tionia, and Tanisha from Budgeting with Tanisha. They reach out to me and they say, hey, I'm gonna run your playlist. Oh my gosh, because they really wanted us to reach the watch time.
Yes,
I really appreciate you guys. Like, that's very amazing of you, because you know that they were reading my mind, and you know the initiative that they took. Big up yourself.
All right, we also got 2,000 hours from this method, right? This method was really amazing. It's from trends and tags. So what Tiola did, not me, Tiola was the one who researched current trends that are currently going on. So she didn't just say, okay, we're gonna get up and just do our own video, because we weren't seen, so we had to follow the current trend. Even though as much as we would want to do our unique content, which Andre does a lot of unique we did a few content more than I do. Tiola was subscribed to people who had like trending videos, and after doing those after seeing those videos, she was like, hey, let's jump on this, right? So she did one that actually was trending like crazy, and it was the pass out prank.
So cheat on my sister prank.
The pass out prank and the cheating in front of my wife's sister. Those were trends. And Tiola saw them. She told me about, well, she did it, and then she told me about the prank on her sister. We added the right tags. We added the person. I'll get into that. We added the right tags, and those videos took off. Right? We may not be the number one,
we're not
but we were still suggested by YouTube.
Yes, at least we are seen.
Yeah, we were being seen. We were being suggested. People liked what they saw, and they continued to watch. They even shared our videos, and it worked out. Right? So we got like 2,000 or more hours using that. So we followed trends, and we also added our tags. So let me get more specific with the tags, because this is important. So here's a scenario. Pass out prank on husband. That I checked in the description. I checked in YouTube to see, okay, who was number 1, 2, and 3. And after getting those people, I copied their name, tag, their description, and added my own flair to it, right? So he got mad, he got upset, he was so confused, cute reaction to the end of whatever the trending topic was. So I added their name, 1, and then I was able to copy their tags that they use in their videos using vidIQ or other plugins that use similar similar technology. So I copied their tags, put it in my video, also modified their tags, and added our own name, and added different tags that resembled or was in our area, and it worked out. It worked out.
And so, the title too, the title of the video.
Yeah, so I grabbed the title of the video, put that in our SEO, my bad, right? So that's the one I'm talking about, the SEO. Your SEO is very important, guys. So Tiola is responsible for the description, which had SEO words packed into it. I was responsible for the SEO tagging, which added packed. So we ensure that our title, description, thumbnails, and everything was up to par, and it worked out.
My lovely husband, he's my analysis and my graphic designer. If you look at our videos and you see those lovely, dope looking thumbnails, it's my husband, okay?
And
he's amazing with that, because man,
so yeah, that's what we
spend
use,
a lot of time. He's very passionate about his thumbnails.
Yeah, if I don't have a good thumbnail, I'm not satisfied. Like, there's a few of them that we weren't able to get good thumbnails for, but we had placeholders, and that's very important.
And you can always go back and
you can always go back. So this is what we recommend to get your videos or your hours up. after you do a video, even if it's not after you're done, do a proper thumbnail, right? So do a proper thumbnail that will get people's attention. That's one. Ensure that your thumbnail has the title in it. That's two. Have a proper description that lists out exactly what's going on, and ensure that the SEOs that are in your SEOs is in your description. And in your SEO tags, use it up fully. You don't need to leave any space. Ensure that it's fully there. And also at the end of your video, YouTube gives you the option to recommend your own videos.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Tiola, at the end of your video, you will see two things at the end of our videos. You will see something that says, you want to watch more like this, more Spencer's vlog, or something similar to Spencer's vlog. So I have like our playlists and then some a random videos in our stuff.
I know what
right?
you mean,
and also our channel description, right?
Yeah.
So those
the
are the
next
things
video that comes up. Yeah, those things are
all
really
right.
good.
So that's 3,000 hours. Let's get into the rest. The next one is the Facebook and Instagram ads. We got like a total of maybe 500 hours using this approach. Once again, it's not the best platform, but it helps with awareness. No one knows you. Like, get it out of, just see yourself as, okay, I'm no one. How can I be seen? So we ran ads on Instagram and on Facebook, and then it got us the views we needed, right? So we got the views, people liked what they saw, and
because we actually form a Facebook page for our channel.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, so we farm, guys. We're gonna put the link down below, so go ahead and follow us on all socials. We have an Instagram page for our YouTube channel, and we also have a Facebook page for our YouTube channel. So you just check the link down below and ensure that you're following our page, because we also put up updates and stuff like that. So go ahead and support our channel.
Awesome.
Our page.
Yeah. And lastly, we got I think 1,000 watch hours, I would say, from this approach. It is the influencer shoutout. So initially when we did our promo to get people to see our page, they didn't just come over and just subscribe. We also got the watch time from that, and it works. So all of the steps that you will take to get 1,000 subscribers, you should have at the end of the day minimum 1,000 watch hours. So your initial effort to get you subs will also get you watch hours, right? And from there, just keep grinding, right?
Man, it's hard work. I ain't gonna tell you that it's easy. Also, don't be afraid to run your own playlist. Don't run it too often, because and don't let other people run your playlist too often as well, under the same IP address or same.
If you're under the same IP, it's best for you to wait a day or two before running the same video again, because YouTube's algorithm will see it as spam, and then they will take away your watch hours, right? So what we recommend, once again, playlist runs.
And then there's one more important thing.
What was that?
Apart from playlist run, guys, live. Let me tell you about the live. So it's very important.
Tiola's very proud of this. Go ahead,
that's where we got most of our watch hours from.
We did.
Because initially, guys, until you meet the 1,000 subscriber, you won't be able to go live from your phone. Well, I'm not sure, but my husband said we weren't able to go live from our phone, which we did actually try, and it didn't work. So you would probably have to use your laptop. So guys, I would encourage you, just don't mind the laptop, don't mind how the laptop looks, don't mind the quality, just find good lighting. Get a ring light, get something, and start your lives from before you even hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. Because mind you, when you reach that 1,000 subscriber, and then you're gonna be hustling and bustling for those watch times, Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so difficult. So as soon as you can go live, guys, take my foolish advice, go live. However, after the 1,000 subscriber and you're able to go live, guys, go live and interact with your subscribers.
Yes.
Talk to them, and that's a way that you get to know them, and then they get to know you, and you also get to meet other subscribers. You get to attract new subscribers to your channel. So go ahead, guys, because trust me, the lives have helped us a lot. So I just want to say thank you to all those who join us on our bedroom drama or on our lives or odd lives.
Yeah.
Trust me, guys, you do not understand how much you have helped us to achieve these hours, because the live, they actually stick better than playlist runs, and it actually helps to build your watch time.
She's completely correct.
Yes, and I'm very passionate about it.
She's very passionate about it. You can tell.
It's nerve-wracking to go live.
That's the thing. Guys,
but
it is not easy.
Yeah.
There is no autocorrect. There is no grammar control.
Yes.
There is nothing to prevent you
so
from sounding like an ass.
Live,
right?
I make up my word then.
Exactly.
We can't delete it.
Guys, you have to have the nerve of steel to do this, because guess what? When we did this for the first time, I was like, oh my God, what are we gonna do? But honestly, it gets better each time, but it takes time.
Yes.
Be shy, take the criticism.
Guys, even if it's for an hour, go live as soon as you start your YouTube journey. Try to go live and actually have a content to share with your people. If you're doing vlogs, ensure it's something that you're interacting with them for real, because vlogs is like, you know, interaction.
Yeah,
so just
let them get to know you.
Yeah,
right. So for example, we have two lives that we do. We do one where you're hanging out with us, and the next one is our bedroom drama series, right? When you're hanging out with us, we can legit be doing anything, whether it's cooking, going on the road, you name it. Yeah, we'll just do whatever, right? We just bring you along. For bedroom drama, we more focus on relationships and us as a couple. But try the live. Tiola is right. It does work out. She's very happy and proud of her series.
I'm happy we did it, because Andre didn't want to do it.
It's not that I didn't want to. I was very shy, right?
Yeah.
But yeah.
Because we started our YouTube we officially started our YouTube. Oh guys, this is an important information that you must know. When I say must, I mean must know. If you do not achieve your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch time within a year,
YouTube.e.
I ain't gonna say YouTube.e, you know.
.e.
With all things,
before this, before this, it was 10,000 views. That was their criteria. It was 10,000 views and 1,000 watch hours, and they changed it.
But guys, what I'm trying to get at is it's important to meet that mark before the year is up, because if you do not achieve that mark, all of that work that you put in, you won't lose your subscribers, but you lose your watch time. And you need your watch time in order to become monetized, right?
Yeah.
So it would be depressing, and you know, you would feel so depressed compared any other word, to know that you've done your best, you've made your videos, you've done your edits, and you had your views, and then you didn't meet the 4,000 watch time, and then YouTube just delete it like so. Like, no, like nothing ever happened. We do not want that. So guys, that is why I am emphasizing the lives. Use your laptop, it doesn't matter. Just listen to what I say, use your window, catch the afternoon daylight, and do your live, okay? Do your lives.
Well, keep going.
Get your watch time. So it's possible that by the time you receive your 1,000 subscribers, you'll also be monetized on that mark. So it took Andre and I 9 months.
9 months.
9 months to
9 months
to get monetized.
And this is a very important point also. So when YouTube is doing their monetization, right, they check for a few things, and you have to ensure that you are clear of these items that they're checking for. So the first thing is that they check your latest video, your most viewed video, your thumbnails, description, stuff to ensure that your page is
description
following their guidelines,
Right.
and also they check for copyright strikes,
right?
Copyright strikes, it's unlikely that you'll get them, but we recommend.
We have gotten some because we
No, we've never gotten a strike.
Oh, not strike.
No,
but
we've
we
never.
have
We have copyright. We have a few copyright videos, but we have never gotten a strike from any.
right.
Right.
So it's because of music, or we
Yeah.
were in a store and someone's song was playing in
Exactly,
the background.
and then
Guys, pay
you're-
attention to those things, because then you won't be striped. But when it's time to get monetized,
You won't be able to monetize those
get
videos.
monetized for those particular videos. But do not delete them.
But this is also a very good thing, though. Just let's say, for argument's sake, you do have a copyright video. YouTube, thank you so much, they release a new beta version for muting the songs in the background. So it doesn't just go flat. It actually turns down the copyright music to the point where the video is cleared. So I can show you a screenshot of exactly how to do that somewhere on the screen. So you can actually mute it with the beta testing and clear your video of all copyright strikes. So that's pretty good.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So that's that. So guys, we have a far way to go, because you know we achieved the 1,000 and now we get monetized. So guys, we have a lot on ourselves to prepare for you guys, to maintain the consistency for you guys. So we know YouTube is a lot of hard work. It takes a lot of self-motivation
And a lot of water.
creativity.
You get thirsty when you're
Yes guys, but we started this journey, so we can't just come this far and then get lazy. We have to press on, we have to continue. So guys, and you know we definitely could not, and we cannot never ever do this if we didn't have you guys, right? You guys to watch our videos, to like, to interact, because the interaction is also good. That is why I'm always be like, comment down below, comment down below. So guys, for all who have been faithful, have been tuning into our videos and our lives, we want to say thank you so much. And I'd also like to take this moment to thank my dear husband, because guys, he works so hard on the edits, because me just there for my pretty looks.
Actually, no, that's not true. But
that's how I feel.
I'll give my thanks first, and I'll tell you why I'm thankful for it.
I'm thankful for Andre, because even though I'm so miserable on him and all of that, it's just for the best, you know. It's just for the best. So I just want him to know that it's just for the best. But you know,
Andre, the video ready? Andre, you know, so we have to be consistent.
Yes.
Andre, we need to have the video ready every Saturday. Andre, with the video.
Because Andre is more laid back, and I'm like, he's more.
Yeah, when the video ready.
What you call it?
Yeah, I'm pessimistic.
Yeah.
Or optimistic in the sense that
You're optimistic.
Yeah, I'm optimistic. So I'm optimistic in the sense that, okay, the video will be done, and either if the video isn't done, it's still gonna do great.
No, but in
Right?
my mind, I'm like, oh no, it's not gonna be done. So if I wake up Andre early in the morning and tell him that, oh, you know, you need to
Andre, the
start.
video done? You have finished everything you need?
But guys, I really want to say thank you to him, because trust me, he has done his part. And if you look in our video, the quality is up there, it all the way up.
It's okay,
there.
but there's room for improvement.
Watch him try to be humble. I don't care what him want to say, but I think the videos are excellent, and you're doing an awesome job, babe. And the teamwork is just nice. It just mesh, you know.
So let me give my thanks to Tiola. Guys, in the comments, when you see someone responding to your comments, that's not me. If it was up to me,
You better be thankful, Sienna, Andre. Guys,
so
be thankful.
if this, sadly, I'm not a big talker. Strange. So if you said something in the comments and you're like, oh, great video, I love the fact that you did this, this would be my reply. Tiola, oh my god, I'm so glad that you appreciate this video. We actually did such and such and such and such. And she will actually take the time to respond to each person and ensure that they feel that, okay, they are seen, they are heard, and she wants to actually interact with her people. So she'll be in the community, she'll be in the comments, she'll be on Facebook, she'll be everywhere to ensure that our subscribers feel that they're a part of us and we're a team. So you're like, Team Spencer, we love it, right? So Tiola, You're awesome.
Some of us they hear from a pretty looks or
no.
Okay.
I still said we're so thankful.
Yes.
Guys, big up on yourself.
Yes.
And also, once again, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please hit that button. And also tell a friend about the Spencers, right? Yes. Share our videos. Help us to get to our next milestone, which is 2,000 subscribers.
So guys, before we close this video, once more, I just want to say thank you. And you know yourself. You. Yes, you. I'm talking about you and you. Thank you so much, and continue to ride with us as we journey into the unknown.
Yep.
Into the unknown.
No. Peace out.
Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love, then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me now and give me something that will never pull me down?